pillows and sheets neatly by the door, children.
Yes, Father. We will finish quickly. Eat well, children.
Have some of the omelette too.
This tea is wonderful.
A perfect morning.
The weight is correct. Pay me the rate displayed.
Wait, we must check for moisture first. The quality varies today.
Hurry up, my tractor is blocking the path.
This is the finest premium wheat you will find today.
The quality seems excellent. We'll take 50 kilos to start.
Yes, let's confirm the weight on the scale immediately.
These sweets look delicious. Thank you.
Our pleasure. Come again soon. I think these are clean enough now. Yes, hang them over there where the sun hits.
Here are your biscuits, Dada. The children will surely like them.
Yes, thank you, my friend. They love these candies.
Hello, sisters. How are you all doing today?
Daddy, it is so good to see you. We are well.
Here are your gifts, children. An elephant for you and a bird for you.
Thank you, Dada. We love them.
This chicken is cooked perfectly.
It is wonderful to have everyone together for this meal.
Yes, praise be. It tastes delicious.
We really must try that recipe again next week.
Only if you help with the cooking this time.
It was yummy.
This is what true peace feels like. Sitting here under the stars with all of you.